everybody, and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, and today we are going to be drawing and coloring Wonder Woman. Thank you guys and girls so much for being here. Grab your pencils, grab your paintbrush, grab your markers, and let's start drawing. If you wonder who Wonder Woman is, Wonder Woman is a fictional superhero appearing in American comic books published by DC Comics. Wonder Woman is a founding member of Justice League and an ambassador of the Amazon people, of course. I really liked how they made the movie Wonder Woman, and I like the cartoons, and I love the comic books as well. So Wonder Woman to me was always awesome because it showed women's power, and she is very, very powerful. Before we get started, I have a trivia question for you. I'm going to ask you now, and then I'm going to answer it at the end of the video. So Wonder Woman changed the world when she first emerged, shirking the passive portrayal of women as typists, librarians, or young girls in love. So she kicked butt basically, and she was one of the first women characters for comic books. My question to you, when was this? What year was it? When did Wonder Woman change the world and first emerge into the comics? I'll let you know at the end of the video. I know, I'm sorry. I hate to do it to you. But it'll be something to look forward to when we're done drawing this, and I cannot wait to see what you have drawn as well. This drawing has some details, but really it's just line on line, so pretty simple. Nothing too crazy that you can't do in just a few minutes, so kind of cool. All right, it's time for that one question. How was your day? How is your day? How's your day thus far? Mine's been wonderful. It's colder outside, but without raining, and it feels beautiful. That fresh air feeling on your face, I love it. I'm actually thinking about going skiing this winter. I think it would be a fun thing to do. We'll see if I have time to do that. Any of you out there go skiing? What's your favorite sport? My son is in basketball. He's done basketball, football, soccer, and he's only 7 years old, and he does a pretty darn good job. So what's your favorite sport? You know, I think they should get together all of the superheroes from all the comic books and start a sports team. Maybe they could do like football or something and make it like the Super Bowl kind of big, huge thing. But I don't know. I think a lot of things would be destroyed in the process. Imagine Wonder Woman kicking a soccer ball, or Superman throwing a basketball, or even Batman throwing the football. I don't know, I think it would be kind of weird, but it would be worth it. I definitely would go to that game and see how it turned out. That'd be kind of cool. So we're at her like, I don't know, girdle area? I'm not really sure what to call that, but her top and her arm. Her hair is done. It looks great. You don't have to spend too much time on lines. If Wonder Woman and Superman got into a fight, do you think Wonder Woman would win? I don't know, I think maybe. Especially if she had kryptonite, you know what I mean? Kind of an unfair fight though, because Superman, he just got all the powers, didn't he? Man, he did. Did you know that her creator invented the early lie detector test? Yep. William Moulton Marston invented one of the first modern lie detector tests after realizing how people's blood pressure changed when they were lying. So that's kind of cool. That's a fact under your belt that you can tell people at school, at work, or wherever you are. And we're gonna move on to her whip, her magical whip. Kinda cool. Also, did you know that she was originally made of clay? How crazy is that? Originally, Wonder Woman was made of clay by her queen mother. How do you say her mother's name? I think it's Hippolyta. And then brought to life. Later writers would add that the Olympian deities gave her powers reflecting her original description. Quote, beautiful as Aphrodite, wise as Athena, stronger than Hercules, and swifter than Mercury. That is one heck of an introduction. That's one heck of a description. Kinda cool. Especially way back when. What year? You know what? Since we're there and we're talking about it, let me give you the answer to the trivia question earlier. When were we graced by her beautiful presence? Well, first of all, I'll say she was an instant sensation. Everybody loved her. She was released in All-Star Comics number 8, dated December of 1941. Wow, that was a long time ago. 1941. I hope you enjoyed that small trivia question. And drawing this Amazon woman. Thank you so much for watching Rainbow Brush. How about the Incredible Hulk versus Wonder Woman? That would be fun to see. I know Wonder Woman would win. I don't know. Wonder Woman would definitely win, yeah. I think if you pitted them both together, Wonder Woman would definitely be the victor against the Incredible Hulk. Alright, so we're pretty much done. Let's go ahead and color in Wonder Woman. Any colors you want, you don't have to follow the rules. I give you permission to color her all in brown, or pink, or yellow. I don't know. Whatever you feel is best. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.